नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक बार फिर। इंडिया ए मेजबानी करते हुए साउथ अफ्रीका ए की पेटीएम ए सीरीज का चौथा मैच है ये।
Well, the news from the center is India A have won the toss and they have elected to bowl first.
बहुत बढ़िया पिक किया है, गति है और उसका उतना ही बखूबी फायदा उठाया। बढ़िया शॉट एक बार फिर, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
Oh, goes over the top this time. That's beautifully played. Magnificent hit. Oh, goes leg side. Big one. Oh, sweeps it hard, but straight to the fielder. This is disappointing for Matthew Bretzky.
Straight to the fielder, just cleared him. Half century. Really good half century, well controlled innings, well compiled innings as well. 5 fours and 1 6 at a good strike rate of 80. So yes, the constant drizzle keeps coming down. Things not looking good at the moment. It's very windy and very heavy drizzle as well. Welcome back to Thiruvananthapuram for the resumption of play. Almost 3 hours lost because of very heavy showers. The ground staff did a wonderful job in what would be a 25 over game.
ये बहुत कमाल का शॉट क्लासन का।
That's gone out of here. And this one straying into the pads. He's found the gap to perfection. What an over. Just the one single of the final over of the innings. The match curtailed to 25 overs aside. South Africa A put into bat have finished with 137 for 1.
इंडिया ए को इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 193 रन चाहिए, 7.72 रन प्रति ओवर। बेहतरीन टाइमिंग, ये ताकत है इनकी।
Pure class once again.
पीछे है, ओह बढ़िया कैच हो गया ये।
And Shubman Gill gone for 12. India A 13 for 1.
रन्स मिलेंगे और मिलेंगे 4।
Top shot there. No catching that. You'll have to just fetch the ball and bring it back.
Should get minimum of 2 if not 4. Beautifully executed shot, opening the face of the bat.
Good shot here. Enough elevation. Gets a maximum. Gonna. Prashant Chopra might be a bit dejected. Top shot again. Really sweet timing by Shikhar Dhawan, and that's his 50. He is in sublime form. Caught behind. Casual shot. Lapse of concentration there by Shikhar Dhawan.
Shivam Dube, he will not spare you over there.
स्लो गेंद, पाले में 6 रन के साथ ओवर की शुरुआत। ये कहां रुकने वाले हैं भाई? एक बार फिर कमाल का संपर्क।
Running in is long off. Has he taken this one? Diving forward.
शिवम दुबे 31 रन बना के आउट। इंडिया ए 161 पे 4 और इसी के साथ सीधा हाथ में, और श्रेयस अय्यर भी आउट हो गए हैं। अच्छा शॉट मारा था लेकिन सीधा डीप पॉइंट पे कैच दे बैठे। क्या कैच पकड़ा है, जबरदस्त कैच, एक हाथ से लपक लिया।
He's gone for the big shot, straight to the fielder, and he's gone. And they'll get 4.
और बहुत ही जबरदस्त शॉट राहुल चहर का। जैसे ही देखा गेंद ऊपर है और सीधा स्टैंड्स में 6 रन।
There was a noise, and he's gone. Washington Sundar gone.
और पहली की बॉल पे आउट, स्टंप्स पे फिनिश किया यानसेन ने। क्या कमाल की बॉलिंग।
It's a dot ball and South Africa takes the first victory, winning by 4 runs. Fantastic effort after India A at one stage for 161 for 3. I thought match gone. But they fought back really hard, picking up wickets at regular intervals. There was some loose shots played by the India A batsmen, but in the end, South Africa A bowlers delivering, picking up wickets and winning by 4 runs.